Hi friends, welcome back to another Living Alone Diaries. Let's get a little personal. It's funny how life works. Only after I went through a really challenging season was I able to come to recognize and appreciate the beauty of my own life. Like the ability to connect with family and friends who care about me, the strength to cook delicious Korean meals that I love, the walks in my neighborhood, and the ability to feel at peace about my life. I know these are all very simple things, but sometimes you get a little lost in life, and the things you took for granted become the hardest to do. I used to be stuck in this mindset of waiting for my life to start if I could just have the things I wanted, but after being forced to let go of control over my life, I've come to realize that it is such a beautiful thing to have a life you can call your own. As imperfect as it is, it's the one life I have, and to run away from it would be foolish. There is also something about endurance and grace in the midst of hardship. In these situations, when you suddenly lose control, is the opportunity to exercise the most growth, perseverance, and faith. I don't know if any of this made sense, it's just one big brain dump, but if anyone can relate to any of these feelings, I just want to say that you're never alone in your struggles, and it does get better because life is dynamic, and you just never know how God will change your heart. But that's the end of my TED Talk, so please enjoy the rest of the vlog. Guys, I don't know if you can see behind me, but this IKEA shelf that I got is clearly in dire need of some cleaning and organizing. I just have so much like miscellaneous stuff on top and in the cubbies. I have like tape right here. I don't know what it's doing here. But yeah, basically ever since I got this shelf, I've just been kind of randomly placing things. But I went to Home Goods yesterday and I got a storage bin. So we're gonna try to organize stuff and put it in here. Honestly, the storage bin is not really my style, but it was the only like neutral color that they had. As you guys just saw, I bought this lamp from Temu so I could decorate this shelving area, but that came cracked unfortunately. But hopefully I'll be able to just make it look a lot more aesthetic by cleaning up the mess. The village is making chai from scratch.
The real spices, we got the nice tea. Cow's milk, only milk that can be used for Indian chai. Cow's milk.
Can you explain the process?
Yeah, so basically you're boiling the milk in the water, you let it go all the way to the top, right when it's about to foam out, and then you bring it down. You let it settle.
That technique,
the
flick of the wrist.
2-3 times, and then it'll be ready.
Wow. Right guys, my friend gave me one of his Drake air fresheners, which I thought was so funny and so cute. We love Drizzy, so I'm gonna replace my current air freshener. I currently use like the little tree one that you just get at like a gas station, but this is adorable, so I'm gonna replace it. And I think he just got this off of Amazon, but it was just hanging in his apartment. I was like, can I have one? Oh my gosh. Well, it smells so good. It smells like perfume, honestly. But I'm gonna hang this now. Ah, I'm dead. Okay.
Okay, making sure you're working with that max entry point, okay? We can hear it on
Wow, this potato is crazy. Yeah. Cheers. Hi friends, I am pulling out the camera because it's the first sunny day in Seattle for like 2 weeks, I think, which is honestly way too long for anyone to go without sun. So I've been pretty sad, but it is finally sunny today. And it's also like the first time the sun is setting at like 5 p.m. which if you live in Seattle, you know that it gets so dark so quick in the winter. Honestly, anywhere, but it's especially rough in Seattle. But if you guys can see, the sun is gonna set at 5:10 today, and that is a record. So guys, we made it through the roughest part and it's only gonna go uphill from here. I actually logged off work and I'm meeting a friend in Cap Hill for dinner, so I thought I would just like walk over early, get a walk in while it's still sunny outside, and then meet her. We're getting katsu at one of my favorite katsu places in Seattle, so gonna go get good food and catch up. But yeah, I just wanted to vlog this because it's been so gloomy and I'm someone who gets so affected by weather. So honestly, like, it's been pretty hard for me in the winters living in Seattle. I do feel like I've gotten a lot more used to it, so I'm a lot better at like handling the gloom now. And a few tips for if anyone lives in a gloomier area. Honestly, just like having hobbies really helps, or things that you can look forward to when it gets dark. So for example, it's like working out for me, so just going to the gym or doing a Pilates class after work really helps me to just like have something to do when it gets dark outside. Like, staying busy is really key to getting through the winter. Make sure to have plans and meet people, do fun stuff even if it gets dark early outside. A lot of people also told me when I first moved here that you should just plan trips and have things to look forward to that like kind of break up the gloom. Luckily, I'm from California, so I have a place to go back to that is a lot more sunnier. But yeah, in general, like having trips if you enjoy traveling. All right guys, this is the OOTD today. I'm just wearing this black leather jacket that I actually thrifted in Paris when I went in December. This is like seriously one of my favorite lifetime thrift finds because it's genuine leather and I only got it for like 70 euros, so it was a great deal. But it's like that oversized fit. Then I'm just wearing this gray crew neck sweater under and my Zara jeans as always. But yeah, that is the fit. Yeah. Yay. Good morning guys, it is Saturday and I actually have a pretty packed Saturday today. I am meeting up at a cafe with my friend in the afternoon, and then later tonight I'm getting dinner and going to Round One with some friends. And Round One is like basically this arcade place, but I've just been like wanting to go. I just love arcades and playing games, so I'm really excited. But yeah, I've had a very chill start to my morning, but we're gonna cook some breakfast, do some journaling and Devo time, and yeah, we're gonna have a good day.
Yeah. I actually didn't mind. I like it. Everything was good. Yeah. Should we learn about it? That's so pretty. You never do out no, but
Box. Wow. First Jollibees. Matching face mask.
It's the start of the night and I'm waiting to call you. It's knocking on doors in the dark. I've been walking out. Been laid up on the news, now you're lying. Don't look up on your face, now you're smiling. It's the start of the night and I'm waiting to call you. It's knocking on doors in the dark. I've been walking out. Been laid up on the news, now you're lying. Look up on your face, now you're smiling. Dark